What's up, guys? So today it's like 68 or 70 degrees Fahrenheit out here. It's a lot warmer than yesterday. Yesterday I was using an HPA tank, which the temperature shouldn't really affect that too much. But I was using this with the restrictor in the handle, and with these steel ball bearings, I was getting like 5 joules. With these aluminum balls, I was getting like 7 to 8, and then with the nylon balls I was getting like 9 to 10. So I'm going to do this same thing over again with my CO2 tank. This has about 300 grams of CO2 in it left, and it's not 58 degrees out here, it's like 68, almost 70. So yeah, I'm going to hook up my airline. I'm leaving the restrictor in there, and I just want to compare them to how they were yesterday on the HPA tank, which is pretty lackluster for these, and these did the best as far as joule readings and stuff. So I'll see if it's a complete 180 or if it's still similar to the HPA tank. Alright, you guys, I forgot to mention, I mean, it's pretty obvious, but I'm using the HDP50 Generation 2. I've been shooting this thing trying to see if the detent will break or whatever. It is much better than the first generation detent, and that's the thing that holds the ball in the barrel. So these are the heavy 8.4 gram steel ball bearings, and a CO2 tank instead of HPA tank, and the restrictor is still in the handle. On the CO2 cartridge I got like 18 joules or 17 joules or something with the same setup, but on the CO2 cartridge 198. So it's 70 feet faster than the HPA, 70 feet per second faster so far. 210. Yeah, HPA with this setup, I was getting like 115 to like 130 on these 8.4 gram steel ball bearings. 212. And if I take the restrictor out, it's going really high, like 270 or something with this weight. 210. 210. I think I got one more shot. 210. So it's pretty consistent. I'm gonna load up the aluminum balls. All right, you guys, I got the aluminum balls, 2.7 grams from Alien Play, and I think yesterday I was getting like 250 feet per second and 260 a couple times, but it was anywhere from 240 to 260 with the HPA and the restrictor in the handle and the airline. 338. 336. 336. 338. 332. 332. And I think that's it. All right, one more shot. Or I guess not. Okay, so I'm gonna get the nylon balls. All right, you guys, I got the orange nylon balls in my HDP50, and I don't remember the speed yesterday, but I know it was like 9 to 10 joules, usually like 9.5 joules with this weight of ammo. So the weight of these is 1.4 grams. 446. And I think my follower spring popped forward. Yep, okay. So the curse of the follower spring guide thing. 448. 442. 446. 444. 444. So yeah, it seems more powerful, which is kind of how most of my other markers perform. The only time when I have a equal footing with my 800 psi HPA output and my CO2 tanks is when I have my Umarex products fully open. I don't usually see a difference when I have zero restrictors throughout the air system. So I'm just going to load up some more rounds. I'm still keeping a count on the detent. So right now I'm at about 118 shots. And I just want to keep using it and just keep running rounds through it. So I'll be right back. All right, you guys. I got the steel ball bearings in here. And just going to chrono still. It's probably going to be about the same, like 210, 200. And this is with the CO2 tank and the restrictor in the handle and the airline attached to it. $210. $206. $204. $204. $202. $204. So aluminum balls next. All right, you guys. Aluminum balls, alien play, 2.7 grams. Probably going to be around the same. It might be getting lower because the marker's cold or getting colder. And yeah, I'll see what happens. My camera kind of wants to fall over or something. So, all right, try this. 334. 326. 324. 324. 326. 322. So I'm gonna put the nylon balls, the orange ones. All right, nylon balls are in here, and same setup, same everything. I just pause the video, loaded up 6, and firing. 442. I think my follower guide popped forward. Yep. All right. So it happened twice. 442. 438. 438. 436. 438. So yeah, pretty consistent. I feel like it's probably staying this good because it's not cold out here. It's we're getting like a little bit of a wind event going on, and whenever I get wind around here, the temperature goes up. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna degas this and stuff. All right, you guys, I turn off the air valve, and I'm just gonna shoot these last shots. These are nylon balls, and I'm just chronoing this just for the hell of it. 442. This is just the leftover pressure. 428. 412. 404. 398. 392. Out of rounds. That's all she wrote, guys. So what I learned today is, just like with my Salt Supply S2, which also has like a permanent restrictor in here, this you can remove, but the S2 has a restrictor in there. The CO2 performed better with the restrictor in the handle, and yeah, in other videos I've made with my Gen 1 stuff, fully open, the T4E typically perform the same no matter what gas source I have. So if I have my my Gen 1 fully open, like how it is right now, or the Gen 2 with the restrictor, or Gen 2 fully open. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to assume the HPA tank is going to be about the same as the CO2. I'm going to try that probably tomorrow. I'll have this fully open and use the HPA on it, because I have chrono readings from a different video with this fully open on the CO2 tank. And I think these were getting like 29 joules, 30 joules on the CO2 tank fully open. These were hitting like 20 to 19 or 20 fully open with the CO2 tank. And these were getting like 14 or 15 fully open on the CO2 tank. So I'm going to try it with the HPA tank maybe tomorrow or in a couple days. And I was trying something with this earlier, but I need to fine tune that a little bit better. So yeah, this is still the one I take with me, and once I see how dependable this is, I'll probably switch it out to the Gen 2, or I'll just throw one in each vehicle and then also have a secondary. But yeah, that's just stuff I got going on. So anyways, guys, thanks for checking out the video. I'll put joule numbers and all that stuff in there, and see you guys next time.